Hello, I'm physical therapist Seda.
Hello, I'm physical therapist Batuhan.
Cervical spine mobilization, manual traction. There are many traction techniques. In this application, I placed my hand on the occiput to try it localized at a specific level that I want to release. And then just distract a little movement with my index fingers to get some pain relief for 10 seconds. The traction should not be too much or too long because sometimes patients may not tolerate this amount.
Manual releasing technique. Soft tissue mobilization technique aims to release superficial and deep neck muscles. Movement should be applied gently. I'm holding the head with my hand and with my fingers I'm relaxing the muscle and take the head to the cross line. Then I take the head through the forward by performing myofascial relaxation. Similarly, I move the head to the side while my fingers release this painful region. Thanks for watching us.
See you in the next informative video in Physionexttoyou.